Take two. This is this is my grandson. His name is what?
Bird, not nephew.
Birdman. His name. What's your real name?
Tyrone.
Tyrone. I am driving, and this is take two on this because I called him my nephew. But this is my grandson. This is, y'all saw the one on Aaliyah. This is Aaliyah's brother. This is my youngest daughter's middle son. I mean, youngest son. Middle child. How old are you, Bird?
11.
11? And what grade are you in? What?
5.
And we went shopping this morning with Grandma, and then where are we going now? To Fun Gym? Hello?
Yeah.
And what's Fun Gym?
Where you jump on trampolines.
So it's like where all the kids go
Yeah.
and hang out. Do they have music in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then your friends going tonight?
Yeah.
Who's going?
Tony.
Tony? Look, see this part right here? That's the camera.
That part?
Yeah. They don't want to see the top of your head, baby. And so, what's your mom's name?
Leandra.
Leandra. And you have brothers and sisters? Yes?
Mm-hmm.
How many?
2
Two what?
brothers and sisters.
You got 2 brothers and sisters? 2 brothers and 2 sisters?
Oh, no, I'm talking about 2 siblings.
So you have who? Cameron is your brother?
Mm-hmm.
And
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah? And who's your best friend?
I don't know, Abby.
Abby? And how old is Abby?
12 or 13.
12 and 13. The people in Facebook, YouTube land cannot hear you because you're mumbling.
They need to get some hearing aids.
No, you need to speak up.
What?
So your best friend is Abby. And what did you tell me about Abby?
I don't know.
You don't know, you don't remember, or you don't want to say?
I don't know.
Nasty. You said, you told me, if she was your age, that you would date her. Don't do that, that's nasty. And so I'm going to tell Abby to watch this.
Okay.
And what sports do you play?
Baseball.
Look, I don't want to see the top of your head. You baseball? What position?
Shortstop, pitcher.
Shortstop and pitcher? Do you know how fast your fastball is? No? Well, they need to record it and let's see how fast it is. And tell them about the triple play you made.
Jumped up, caught a line drive, tagged the runner, and threw it to first.
Tag the runner where?
That's third.
That's second.
He's
Going to third. And so you got all 3 outs in the same, on that same pitch. Caught a line drive, tagged the second base runner, and threw it to first and got the first one out. Right? Yep. Do you love baseball? You're lying. Your mom said that all you do every morning is go watch baseball reruns and get in the bed with her. And What are you gonna do when you get grown?
I don't know.
Do you want to play baseball professional? Maybe. Yeah. I think your mom needs to do something with that head.
No.
Can we cut it
No.
just a
No.
little bit?
No.
Why?
What's that?
It needs a trim. No. Alright, so since we did take 2, it's a little bit better than take 1, huh? Yes? And it's still raining. It's been raining for how many days?
1, 2. This is the third.
This is the 3rd day, yeah. Alright. So tell everybody in YouTube land, bye-bye now.